If you want to remove an image background in Photoshop quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to cut out a subject using Photoshop's built-in Remove Background feature, so you can get a transparent result in just a few clicks. This is perfect for product photos, portraits, thumbnails, or any image where you want to separate the subject from the background without spending ages making selections manually. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open Photoshop and load the image you want to work on. To do that, go up to the top menu bar, click File, and then choose Open. Find your photo on your computer, select it, and click Open. As soon as the image appears in Photoshop, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. If your image is a standard photo file, you'll usually see it listed as Background, and it may have a small lock icon next to it. Before you remove the background, you need to unlock that layer. Simply click the small padlock icon next to the image layer. Once you do that, Photoshop will convert it into an editable layer, usually called Layer 0. This step is important because it allows Photoshop to apply edits without restricting the layer like a locked background. Next, you need to make sure the Properties panel is visible. If you don't already see it on your screen, go up to the top menu, click Window, and then select Properties. The Properties panel should appear, usually on the right side with the other panels. This panel is where Photoshop keeps a lot of useful quick edit tools, including the Remove Background command. Now scroll down within the Properties panel until you find the Quick Action section. Here, you'll see the Remove Background button. This is the fastest part of the process. Go ahead and click Remove Background, and Photoshop will automatically analyze the image and detect the subject for you. It will then create a selection around the subject and remove the background in one step. What makes this especially useful is that Photoshop doesn't permanently delete the background. Instead, it applies a non-destructive layer mask. That means your subject stays editable and the background is hidden rather than erased completely. If you look at the canvas after the process finishes, you should see the familiar checkerboard pattern behind your subject. That checkerboard pattern means the background is transparent, which is exactly what you want if you plan to place the subject on a different design, website, thumbnail, or product mockup. If the result looks good, you're basically done. You can now export the image as a PNG to preserve the transparency, or continue editing if you want to refine the cutout further. And if Photoshop doesn't get it perfect on the first try, you can always click on the layer mask and make small adjustments with a brush tool later. But for most images, this quick action does a surprisingly good job and saves a lot of time. So just to recap, open your image, unlock the background layer, open the Properties panel if needed, and then click Remove Background under Quick Actions. In a few seconds, Photoshop creates a transparent cutout without requiring manual selection work. It's one of the easiest ways to remove image backgrounds, especially if you want fast results. If this Photoshop tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.